Clear, voice is clear. Let us start. Now question number 10, exercise 7b. If 5 raised to minus p is equal to 4 raised to minus q is equal to 20 raised to r, then show that 1 upon p plus 1 upon q plus 1 upon r is equal to 0. This is same as question number 9. What you want, you will solve or I should solve? Yes, important. This type of problems are important. Now you said same as 9. Okay, chalo. So now all these three are equal. So 5 raised to 1 minute. 5 raised to minus p is equal to 4 raised to minus q is equal to 20 raised to r. Now it is clear, good? Wait. 1 minute, 1 minute. It will be, now it is clear, right? Yes. 5 raised to minus p is equal to 4 raised to minus q is equal to 20 raised to r. All three are equal. That means they all have common number. So let 5 raised to minus p is equal to 4 raised to minus q is equal to 20 raised to r is equal to some number we take as k. Common number as k. Okay, right. So sometimes it happens. 5 raised to minus p is equal to k. 4 raised to minus q is equal to k. And 20 raised to r is equal to k. All three are equal means they have one common number k. So 5 raised to minus p is k, 4 raised to minus q is k, 20 raised to r is k. Now we find the value of p, q, r. So they are common number k, so naturally it will be divisible by k. So 5 raised to minus p is k. So I will take one part I am explaining, other part I will write directly. Let me write. So taking minus 1 upon p power on both the sides. Taking 1 upon minus p power. If it is minus p, we take 1 upon minus p power on both sides. 1 minute. Taking yes. Yes. What you are saying, that is fully correct. Now it is okay. Yes. Now it will not be complied. Now it is finally adjusted. 5 raised to minus p, so I will take 1 upon minus p power on both sides. फिर से आ रहा है? चलो ठीक है. Now it is clear? Okay. Taking 1 upon minus p power on both the sides. So I can write directly, but let me write one more step. 5 raised to minus p raised to 1 upon minus p is equal to k raised to 1 upon minus p. Are you getting? So p minus p get cancelled. You will get 5 is equal to yes, k 5 is equal to k raised to 1 upon minus p. Similarly, I will write other part. 4 raised to minus q is equal to k. So let me write directly. 4 is equal to up also 1 upon minus q. You can write minus 1 upon q, no problem. 4 is equal to k raised to minus 1 upon. No, for second part, 4 raised to minus q is k. Similarly, 20 raised to r is equal to k. So that gives 20 is equal to k raised to 1 upon r. So in this way we have got the value of k raised to 1 upon minus p, k raised to 1 upon minus q, k raised to 1 upon r. Now yes. Now we have the number 5, 4, 20. We have the number 5, 4, 20. Now 20 we can write 5 into 4. 20 I can write 5 into 4. Now we have the number 25, 4. So 20 we can write 5 into 4. 20 we can write 5 into 4 and solve that. 20 we can write 5 into 4 and solve that. Yes. So now 20 we can write 5 into 4. But what is 20? 20 is k raised to 1 by r. What is the value of 20? 20 is k raised to 1 by r. 5 is k raised to minus 1 upon p. And 4 is k raised to minus 1 upon q. So k raised to 1 by r is equal to k raised to, there we have multiplication. So whenever there is multiplication, we add the power. Minus 1 upon p plus 1 upon minus q. That is same as minus 1 upon, we can write directly. We are adding the power. So plus minus become minus. So comparing, no. We are writing 20 as 5 into 4. Then we are replacing 20 by its value. 20 is k raised to 1 by r. 5 is k raised to 1 upon minus p. 4 is k raised to minus 1 upon q. Now after simplifying this, comparing powers, you will get 1 upon r is equal to minus 1 upon p minus 1 upon q. Now take all these on the other side. 1 upon p, 1 upon q on the other side. So it becomes 1 upon p plus 1 upon p plus 1 upon q plus 1 upon r. We take these two terms on the other side, so it becomes 0. Nothing is left on this side. And this is what you want to prove. 1 upon p plus 1 upon q plus 1 upon r is equal to 0. So important problem based on law of indices. So such type of problems, yes, to get this, we want to finish the roll of 25, 4. 20 I have written 5 into 4, but after substitution, the roll of 25, 4 vanished. Now P, Q, R are in the picture. You can write 20 upon 5 is equal to 4. Then 20 will be 5 into 4. One more step you have to write. Because you are in 9th standard. So directly you write 20 as 5 into 4. Yes. Whatever you are saying, absolutely you can. See. Yes. 20 upon 5, then you have to perform the division. I have multiplication. So I have added the power. If you are taking division, then you have to subtract the power. Same answer you will get. Same. If you are taking division 20 upon 5, then you have to subtract the power. I have taken multiplication 5 into 4. So I have added the power. So that rule should not be violated. You can perform the method, different method, but without violation of the rules of mathematics. If there is multiplication, if there is multiplication, we add the power. If there is division, we subtract the power. Now all of you go through that. Question number 11 and tell me, I should solve this or you will be solving that. Yes. Same way you will do. And this is important, 11th one. So should I give 11th one? Tell me. Instead of giving this 11th as homework, let me give you 12th as homework. Because 11th is important. 12th. 11th one, then I should give homework. Tell me, yes or no? No, let me solve this, because these are important problem. If let me solve this. If m is not equal to n, m is not equal to n, and m raised to minus 1 plus n raised to minus 1 is equal to m raised to x into n raised m raised to x into n raised to y, m raised to x into n raised to y. Now it is clear. M raised to x into n raised to y. Yes. Then show that x plus y plus 2, then show that x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Show that x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. So what we are given? M raised to minus 1 plus n raised to minus 1. M raised to minus 1 plus n raised to minus 1 is equal to m raised to x into n raised to y. We are given this. Yes. M and r are different numbers. Now m to the power minus 1, I can write 1 upon m. N to the power minus 1, I can write wait. M to the power minus 1, I can write 1 upon m. N to the power minus 1, I can write 1 upon m is equal to m raised to x into n raised to y. Now this left hand side we simplify, cross multiply. M into 1 m plus n into 1 n, so that I will write m plus n upon mn is equal to m raised to x into n raised to y. Wait. Question I have written wrong. Before that we have m plus n raised to minus 1. This question I have m plus n raised to minus 1. This is also there. M plus n raised to minus 1 into this. All of you having textbook, just go and checking that. M plus n raised to minus 1. M plus n raised to minus 1. So everywhere I will write m plus n raised to minus 1. M plus n raised to minus 1. I can write 1 upon m plus n. I can write 1 upon m plus n. I can write 1 upon m plus n. Now this m plus n get cancelled. This one. Yes. M plus n get cancelled. One is in the numerator, one is in the denominator. Same m plus n in the numerator, same m plus n in the denominator. So they will get cancelled. So what is left? 1 upon mn is left. 1 upon. Yes. X and y both are minus 1. So you will get 1 upon mn. Yes, 1 upon mn is equal to m raised to x, n raised to y. Take m in the numerator, m raised to minus 1, n raised to minus 1 is equal to m raised to x into n raised to y. So now we compare the power of same base. Base is m. What is power minus 1? What is power x? So x is equal to minus 1. Base is n. Yes, what happened? Base is n, base is n, there, starting. M plus n raised to minus 1. Whole power minus 1 means I can take reciprocal. 1 upon m plus n. Power will be plus 1. Then m raised to minus 1, I can write 1 upon m. N raised to minus 1, 1 upon n. Then cross multiply there. Inside the bracket we simplify. So n plus m upon mn. That will be m plus n in the numerator. Denominator it will be mn. My dear, m plus n is same as n plus n. Because addition is commutative. Addition is commutative. Commutative means a plus b is same as b plus a. So m plus n is same. Yes, one only. M plus n is same as n plus m. So power of x is minus 1. Power of where in place of 0? Where? This is my question. Where 0? Where 0 is there? 0 is not there, no? Power of m is minus 1. M I will take in the numerator, m raised to minus 1, n raised to minus 1. Same base m, yes. So x is minus 1, y is minus 1. Now which value you want to prove? X plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. So wait, we want to show that x plus y plus 2 is 0. What is x? X is minus 1, y is minus 1 and 2. Minus 1 minus 2 plus 2, 0. So finally we get x plus y plus 2 is 0. This type of problems are important. Yes. Now 12th, I am planning to give homework. 13th I will do. We will go on solving problem. Yes. Which one? Right. 13th I will do. So 30 is slightly different. Yes. See, you go on solving the problem of the homework. If there is any difficulty, once we complete this chapter, immediately after that chapter, I will take the doubt session. You can ask the doubt. Yes. Now, 13, you mark important 13. 13. Right, 13, 4 raised to x plus 4 raised to 4 raised to x plus 3, 4 raised to x plus 3 is equal to 112 plus 8 into 4 raised to x. 8 into 8 minute. Yes. No problem. No. Now it is clear. Now it is clear? Okay. Yes. See, these are technical. Yes. So 4 raised to x plus 3. Find the value. Wait. Find the value of 18x raised to power is 3x. 18x raised to 3x. Find the value. So let us solve this. 4 raised to x plus 3 is equal to 112 plus 8. Yes, that is what 4 raised to x plus 3. I will write 4 raised to x into 4 raised to 3. Because power into, there is multiplication. So I will add the power. Is equal to 112 plus 8 into 4 raised to x. Now 4 raised to x, 4 raised to 4. Why you will add? Wait. 4 raised to 3, 4 into 4 into 4, 64. 4 raised to x into 64. Now this 4 raised to x I will take on the other side. So minus 8 into 4 raised to x. 8 into 4 raised to x is equal to 112. Are you getting? 4 raised to no, you cannot cancel because there is minus sign between them, no, and they are not having the same coefficient. Coefficient of this x, 4 raised to x is 64. My dear, 4 raised to 3, no, 4 raised to 3, 4 into 4 into 4, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Yes. See, you can cancel the 4 raised to x on the opposite side provided there is multiplication. Provided there is multiplication on both the sides. but there is no multiplication on both the sides. Are you getting? So where multiplication is there? Tell me. There it is plus sign is there, no? No. There it is multiplication. Multiplication is not there. Addition is there, no? If this is also multiplication, then you can cancel 4 raised to x, 4 raised to x. But there is addition. So now I will take 4 raised to x common. Yes, 4 raised to x common, then it is 64 minus 8 is equal to 112. So 4 raised to x into 52. 52, correct, is equal to 112. So 4 raised to x is not 52. Sorry. Wait. 56. 112 upon 56. So 4 raised to x is 2. Correct. Now 4 I can write 2 raised to 2. 4 I can write 2 raised to 2. 2 means 2 raised to 1. So again power raised to power, multiply the power. So 2 raised to 2x is equal to 2 raised to 1. So comparing power, yes, comparing powers, what you will get? Tell me. Comparing power, you will get 2x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 by 2. We keep 1 by 2. Now this value we have to find. 18x raised to 3x we have to find. That we'll see. Now we have to find the value of 18x raised to 3x. Find the value of 18x raised to 3x. Find that value. Find the value of 18x raised to 3x. Find the value of 18x raised to 3x. 27 is the correct answer. Let us see. Now we consider 18x raised to 3x. So 18x, 18 into x is 1 by 2 raised to 3 into 1 by 2. So 2 nines are, so 9 raised to 3 by 2. 3 into 1 by 2, 3 by 2. Now 9 I can write 3 square raised to 3 by 2. So power is to power, multiply the power. So 2 get cancelled. What is left? 3 cube is left. 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3. That is 27. Yes, 27 is the correct answer. 27 is the correct answer. Now, exercise 14. If you see the exercise 14, all the problems we have done. No, wait. 14th, all the problems we have done, similar problems. 14th, all the problems we have done. My dear, all the problems are done. So, if we go on doing the same type of problem, then we have to complete the syllabus. Yes, 7C. 7C, first question, there are 3 problems and all the 3 problems are important. Yes, in first there are 3 problems because see, up to 7B, up to exercise number 7B, whatever we have done, based on those methods, based on those techniques only, the problems are there in 7C. So 7C is not different. 7C is based on 7th A and 7th B, techniques and formulas. So 7C, all 3 are important. Mark this first one, all 3 important, very important. And you can definitely expect, we are very much one question 3 marks or 4 marks. Chances are more than 95%. Because if you see the ICSE board 9th standard question paper, this type of problem they have asked frequently. Now first one, 9 raised to 5 by 2 minus 3 into 8 raised to 0 minus 1 upon 81 raised to minus half. 1 upon 81 raised to minus half. So 9 raised to 5 by 2, I can write 9, I can write 3 square raised to 5 by 2. 3 into 8 raised to 0 is 1. Whenever the power is 0, the value is 1. Minus 1 upon 81. 81, wait. Now see here, yes, that is what I am telling. See. Now, no, my dear. See here, you see the power. No, wait. You are not allowing it. See, what is the power? The power is negative. Whenever the power is negative, you take the reciprocal of the number so that power become positive. That is the first step. 1 upon 81, power is negative. So I will write this as 81. 81 raised to half. First you make the power positive, then you perform the other way. Now this is power raised to power, multiply the power. So 3 raised to 5 minus 3 minus 1 upon 81. No, you can write this as 3 raised to 4 raised to 9 raised to 2. Then you can also write 3 raised to 4 because all the other number are having. Yes, all the other number they are having base 3. So this also I will write 3. So this is 3 raised. Yes, you can write. Yes. 3 raised to 5 is 243 minus 3 minus this power raised to power. This is 3 raised to 2. 4, 9. So 243 minus 3 is 240 minus 3 square is 9 and answer is 231. Answer is 231. Yes. So base is same, but there is minus sign. No, minus. If minus sign is there, you cannot add the power or subtract the power. You can add the power when there is multiplication. You can subtract the power whenever there is division. Yes. But we have minus sign. So minus sign is there. We cannot add the power. Now let us do second. 64 raised to 2 by 3. This one you mark important, this 64. This one. Especially in first, this type. 64 raised to 2 by 3 minus cube root of 125 minus 1 upon 2 raised to minus 5. 2 raised to minus 5 plus 27 raised to minus 2 by 3 into 25 by 9 raised to minus half. Raised to minus half. Yes. Start. 64 raised to 2 by 3. What you can write 64? Tell me. The power is 3. No, the power is 3. The power is 3. Denominator power is 3. So I can write this as 4 cube. 4 cube raised to 2 by 3 minus 125 cube. I can write 125. No, 125 raised to 1 by 3. Cube root means power will be 1 by 3. Yes, write directly. Yes. If you know the value, you can directly write. No step. If you know this, you can directly write. No problem. This I can take up 2 raised to 5. Then plus 27. Now the power is negative. Now this, see, now this you can write 27, you can write 3 raised to 3 raised to minus 2 by 3 into 25 by 9, power is negative, so this I can write 9 upon 25 raised to half. So 4 raised to 3, 3 get cancelled, 4 square minus 5 minus 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 5 is 32 plus 3 raised to 3, 3 into minus 2 by 3, 3 get cancelled, 3 raised to minus 2 into 9 upon 25, I can write 3 by 5 whole square raised to half. 3 by 5 whole square raised to half. So 4 square is 16. 16 minus 5 minus 32 minus 5 minus 32 minus 37 plus 3 raised to minus 2 1 upon 9. Wait. Now 3 upon 5, 2 get cancelled, 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5. 3 3s are 9. Yes, 3 3s are 9. 3 3. So that is 16 minus 37 is minus 21 minus 21 plus 1 upon 15. Minus 21 plus 1 upon 15. Simplify. Minus 20. Okay, now it is clear, right? Minus 21 plus 1 upon 15. You cross multiply. 15 ones are 15. Then no, you have to take LCM. No, it is 1 upon 15. You have to take LCM of, yes. So minus 315. Minus 315 plus 1 upon 15. Yes. So that is minus 314 upon 15, which is minus 14 upon 15, mixed fraction. Even if you stop there, minus 314 upon 15, full marks you will get. Yes, it is 12:50. You are having other period also. 3 to 4 marks. Bye. 3 to 4 marks. Yes. You stop here.